In a small village nestled between green hills lived a quiet girl named Aarohi. Her father fixed bicycles, and her mother sold vegetables. Aarohi loved to study, but her days were filled with chores. Every night, under a dim kerosene lamp, she chased a dream that seemed impossible. She wanted to become a pilot. Villagers would laugh, saying, "Girls like you don't fly planes, Aarohi. Learn to sew instead." But she didn't listen. She devoured old books, learned English from the radio, and saved every single rupee. After school, she faced rejection from the Aviation Academy, not once, but twice. On her third try, she wrote a heartfelt letter about her struggles. At the interview, wearing her mother's sorry, she told the board, "I've been fighting gravity my whole life. I just want to learn how to rise." Years later, a plane soared over her village. The children pointed, but her mother just smiled through tears. Knowing her daughter was at the controls, proving to everyone that dreams can indeed take flight.